Australian sponsor Visa-Welding. A working holiday visa is a visa that allows people aged 18 to 30 to work in Australia for up to a year and enjoy travelling. To apply for this visa, you can apply online from the Australian Government's Visa Application System (IMI) account. Sponsored business visas are visas to work for companies in Australia. If an Australian company wants to hire you, you can find an immigration lawyer or immigration agency who can help you with the procedures related to your visa application and get help. A technical or professional specific visa is an applicable visa if you are looking for a job through a job posting or sponsorship being announced in Australia. You may need experience or skills in the job, so it is important to fully understand the information and qualifications of the field before you find a job. Finally, it can be helpful to consult directly with the Australian Immigration Service or the Australian Embassy. What is the sponsor visa? Sponsor visas are visas provided by companies in Australia to hire foreigners. In order to obtain this visa, it is necessary for a company in Australia to sponsor a foreigner so that the foreigner can work in Australia. Sponsor visas typically require companies to review the competence and experience of their employees and obtain approval from the Australian Immigration Department. Sponsor visas typically include 186 visa or 187 visa, a permanent resident visa to work for the company. These visas are issued only if the company believes hiring foreigners will have a positive impact on the Australian economy. To get a sponsorship visa, you can first find a job at a company in Australia, and if you want to hire a foreigner at that company, you can find an immigration lawyer or immigration agency who can help you with the procedure related to applying for a visa. These experts fully understand the procedures and requirements associated with the visa application and can help you complete and submit the application. Tell me 10 companies in Australia that can get sponsorship visas through welding. Some of Australia's companies that are eligible for sponsorship visas in the field of welding include BAE Systems Australia, one of the largest defence and aerospace companies in Australia. Monadelphous Group, an Australian company specialised in mining, oil and gas industries. Australia, a large shipyard company that designs and builds various types of ships and ships. Macmahon Holdings, a professional infrastructure company working in mines, construction and airports. Woodside Energy, a large Australian company specialising in the oil and gas industry. Worley Parsons, a company that provides engineering, project management and consultation services in oil, gas, mining and infrastructure. BlueScope Steel, one of Australia's largest steel producers, producing a wide range of products used in shipping and other industries. Lendlease, one of the largest companies in construction and real estate development, and conducts infrastructure development and construction projects. Downer Group, specialised in mining, rail, infrastructure and other industries. Santos, one of the big Australian companies working in the oil and gas industry.